What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Drive. My name is Steve. This is Eddie.
What's up?
And basically what we're doing today is we're going to go ahead and dyno his car. Check it out. Alright, Eddie, so what exactly are we doing today?
Well, we're going to break in the clutch on the dyno. So we're going to do a dyno clutch break-in today because I have a brand new clutch, and unfortunately we need that shit working. So
yeah, of course. So I got a quick question. How much horsepower does this car make right now currently?
Right now we're at 492 to the wheels on E85.
Okay, and what size turbo?
We have a Garrett GTX GEN II 3071R.
Okay, so that's what we're running with. This car is actually, to be honest with you, I've never even driven in this yet. I've sat in this as it's like fully tuned.
Yeah, unfortunately, many things has happened in the past, so
yeah, we're not gonna get into that.
Yeah.
So basically, what's going on right now is, like I said, I'm gonna go hop in this car. Last time I've been in this car was back almost a year ago, really.
Yeah, it's been a while.
It's been like at least 8 months ago, and it wasn't tuned. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna head out and obviously get his car on the dyno because they need to break in the clutch. It's gonna be broken in, I guess, by dyno.
Yeah,
so the road.
We'll find out. I never heard of it, but
I mean, whatever. It is what it is. The guy who's taking care of the car really knows what he's doing. So who tuned this car now?
We got it tuned by Mike.
Now, where is he located?
At RevWorks up in Orlando.
Oh, at RevWorks up in Orlando. Okay. So this car is already currently tuned. So you guys already know what's up. All right. So we are here. So currently it hit 446. Let's see what the next numbers will tell. See if it'll rise lower. So far it's running good. Remember, the whole point is to break in the clutch, not necessarily to create power. So let's see where we go from there. Check it out. Alright, 463, baseline test 419 torque. Better idea of what's going on there. Alright, so we are kicking off one more run. Our best run so far was 463. Got this thing resetting. Here we go. Now that one sounded good. Let's take a look. Yeah, that one sounded good. There we go. So basically what's going on right now, we're gonna go ahead and adjust the right height on the back. That shit is rubbing like a motherfucker right now, so we're gonna go ahead and fix that. Get it on the street. Maybe get it running. That shit felt good.
On the top end, I was almost right there at 8. I was like getting a little scared. I was like, all right, let's do it. This just sounds good.
There we go. Well, I don't know how this just happened, but it did. So everybody snap, crackling, and popping out here, yo.
Let's do a 4-year-old from 4th gear. Let's see. I don't think it went up though. You don't think so? Man, it's nothing.
What'd it go to?
16.
Alright, Eddie, explain to him exactly what we've done, what just happened, and also what they tweaked a little bit.
So I really don't think anything was tweaked. He was just doing pulls, getting a base power, seeing if the car was running good, because you know everything, like all the lines were redone, everything was rewired. So just overall making sure the car was stable and nothing was going wrong, and at the same time broken the clutch. So today we made on E85 462 to the wheels, and bro, car is running amazing, and pretty much at like 16, 18 psi. You know, it's fully built motor, stage 4 IAG, all heads done, stage 3 cams. So now we're running around pretty much like 7,800 RPMs, I want to say.
Not bad,
Feeling
not bad.
great.
Well, you guys already know. Appreciate you guys watching. Like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned to the channel, and you guys already know what it is. Drum Miami, peace.